Welcome to today's video. In this video, I'm going to continue looking at square roots and cube roots. And in today's video, I'm going to look at simplifying cube roots that contains square roots or cube roots. So in this video, I'm going to share with you 3 steps you need to take in order to find the cube root of expressions that contains square roots or cube roots. So at later stage, I'm also going to demonstrate how you can find the cube root, or how you can simplify the cube roots that contains square roots or cube roots. So watch this video up to the end. Okay, so I'm going to start with the steps you need to follow. So I'm going to share with you steps that you need to follow when you want to simplify cube roots that contains square roots or cube roots. Okay, so the first step is simplify the square roots or cube roots inside first. Okay, simplify the square roots or cube roots inside first. So if you're given an expression which has got where you asked, the expression is requesting you to find the cube root, and inside the terms which are inside, they have got square roots or cube roots, then you need to deal with those which are inside first. Okay, you understand more when I'll be solving one question. Then the second point is, if they are more than one term, simplify them to one term. So if you, after simplifying the square roots or cube roots, then you find that you come up with more than one term, what you need to do is you simplify those terms into one term. Okay, then the third point is find the cube root of the term you found. Now after you find the term, the next thing you need to do is you find the cube root of the term you found. Now these are the 3 important steps you need to follow. Now let me demonstrate to you how you go about them. Okay, so here is the question. Okay, the question is, work out cube root of the square root of 225 plus the square root of 144. Okay, so we asked to find the cube root of the square root of 225 plus the square root of 144. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write it here. Okay, once I've written it, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to follow the first step, which says simplify the square roots or cube roots inside first. So I'm going to deal with the square roots inside. We have got only square roots. So I'm going to first find the square root of 225. But before I do that, I'm going to write the cube root sign. Once I've written the cube root sign, then I'm going to find the square root of 225, which is 15. I'm going to write 15 there. And then I'm also going to find the square root of 144, which is 12. Then I'm going to say 15 plus 12, and all of that in a cube root. Then the next step I'm going to do is, now I'm done with the first instruction, which is the first step, which is simplifying the square roots or cube roots inside first. So I've simplified the square roots inside first. So now I've come up with 2 terms. Here is where, now as you can see, you can't see any square root inside the cube root, so which means I've simplified the square roots which were given. So now the only thing which has happened is I've come up with 2 terms. Okay, so because I've come up with more than one term, I'm going to follow the second instruction, which is, if they are more than one term, simplify them to 1. So I'm going to simplify those terms. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to add 15 plus 12. Okay, so before I find the sum of 15 and 12, I'm going to write the cube root sign here. Then 15 plus 12 will give us 27. Then now here I have come up with one term. That means I'm successful with the second step, which is simplifying the terms which are more than one into 1. So here I've just come up with one term. Okay, once I've done that, then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the third step, which is find the cube root of the term you found. So the cube root of 27, the number that we can multiply by itself 3 times to get 27 is 3. So I'm going to write 3 down here. And 3 is the cube root of 27. So working out cube root of the square root of 225 plus the square root of 144 will give us the answer, which is 3. Okay, so 3 is the correct answer there. So if you have got questions, you can ask in the comment section, and if you are not very conversant on how to find the cube roots and square roots, you check on our videos. We have done those videos where we shared how to find cube roots and square roots. So there are in fact 4 videos, 2 videos for cube roots and 2 videos for square roots, for square roots. So you can check them on our video lists, you'll find them. And in fact you can just go to the playlist, which is square roots and cube roots. You'll see where we see videos which are entitled square roots, and you also see a video which is entitled cube roots, and then you also see a video which is entitled perfect square and perfect cubes. You can watch those videos. They will also help you on how to find these square roots and cube roots. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching. It has been easy learning Z Mathematics. The future is bright. See you in the next video, and God bless you.